Hey, good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a great day so far. So I had a gentleman stop in and asked me if he could leave his car with me. He was recommended to me by somebody else. Said I came highly recommended. Okay. It's a Nissan Juke. He said, oh, it's running terribly. Brake pedal's hard as a rock. Okay, brake pedal hard as a rock. Either you got a bad vacuum leak or your engine's not making any vacuum. Okay, so I said, you're gonna have to leave it with me. I'm so backed up. I said, I don't know when I'm gonna look at it. It's been actually with me for a week now. So I got it idling right now. Let me show you the tach. Can you see it bouncing? Actually, let me stick it in gear. I don't know if it's, the whole car is bouncing. I'm not shaking the camera there. The car is actually shaking me. All right. So anyway, I'm going to scan this thing for codes. I actually did that a little bit earlier, but let me just show you what I got. So let me go into the scanner. Now this is going to be a vehicle that I'm going to have to decline, and I'll explain why. All right, Cam A position timing system performance, exhaust cam timing advanced, bat current sensor. That has something to do, I believe. I don't even know. I think that might be for the key, but I'm not even sure. I don't really care, to be honest with you. All right, so P011 and P0014. Those codes have to do with cam timing, both intake and exhaust. So what could the problem be? Well, who knows? One thing I did find when I was researching the code, both codes, one thing is timing chain installed incorrectly. Let's go under the hood. Oops, I just popped the gas cap. One thing I hate is when they put the gas cap release right next to the hood release. I always pop the gas cap. So let's go take a quick look here. See what we got. All right. So it's a turbo 1 point something something something. Check this out. What do you see there? That is a brand new timing cover. So that bothers me. What did somebody do in there? I also see somebody wrote 2011 on this Nissan cover. So is this a junkyard motor? I don't know. And I also see this. That's wonderful. That's really good. Yeah, that's a great contact right there. So obvious, somebody's been chasing down a problem. Somebody's done something with this vehicle. Somebody's had the timing cover off. Nah, I don't really have time for this. I have too much to do. I don't need to get involved in this. You can't pay me enough to get involved in this. Because that's it. I'm too busy. I got too much to do. Something like this, why should I do this? Why should I get involved in this? It's 10 hours to do a timing chain on this, book time. So figure 12 just to be on the safe side. It's 12 hours, it's 2 days. Why am I gonna tie up a lift for 2 days when I can do other things and get them done? You know, I hate to say it, but it's true. I mean, if I was slow, it'd be a different story. I'm not slow. I'm unbelievably backed up. I've been turning down people on a daily basis because I just don't have time to work on their vehicles. So unfortunately, here's another situation. Don't have time to work on it. So it's basically, my point is, be careful what you get involved in. You don't have to fix everybody's car. You don't. And this is another example. I just don't have to fix this car. Sorry, you know, if you want to put a motor in it, maybe I'll do that. But I'm not going to spend that kind of money or that kind of time and your money to dig into this. My time could be spent in, you know, a better place. Somebody actually put a brand new throttle body on this too, I just realized. Yeah, that's brand new. So like I said, my point is, you don't have to fix everybody's car. You can turn down work. It's okay, because you know what? More stuff is going to come through the door. It's a constant, especially when you have a good reputation. I have a great reputation. People bring me their stuff all the time. Am I perfect? Absolutely not. I'm honest. I think I'm honest. I know what I'm doing. But my honesty, my integrity is what drives me, and it's what brings me the customers. And that's why I'm always so busy. Hey, I got a free truck out of it. So, hey. Anyway, that's it. Hope you're getting something out of my videos. If you do, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. That's it for now. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.